Here are some fun ways to manifest and use the law of attraction right off your phone. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candice. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm super excited to have you here today because we're talking about some ways that you can use manifestation right off your phone. And you can start doing this immediately. Once you hear these things, start putting them on your phone. Start manifesting your life and your dreams. On this channel, we talk about manifestation, law of attraction, and personal development. So if you want to be a powerful creator, hit that subscribe button to join us on this journey to manifest what we desire right into our lives. And don't forget to give this video a like so that I know what you guys really want to hear from me. And you know what to do also. Comment below something you want to hear from me, whatever you want me to talk about. I'm an open book and would love to talk about what you desire. We can start manifesting right now. Manifest what you want me to talk about and I'll talk about it. So just comment below. Okay, let's get into this video. Okay, the first way you can use your phone to manifest is by setting reminders. I love to have my reminders remind me that I am enough. That's something that I have to be reminded of, that I'm enough right now, that I'm enough yesterday, I was enough yesterday, I'm enough today, and I'll be enough tomorrow. I am enough, and I'm always enough. And I also have a reminder that I can never be rejected. That's a good reminder for me that no matter what doors are closed or someone says no to me, I can never be rejected, because whatever is rejection is God's protection, or you can say God's redirection. And I really like to remind myself of that. So set reminders on your phone. I have mine go off at 9 a.m., noon, 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m., and midnight, just in case I'm up. I need a reminder, an affirmation. You can put your affirmations as your reminders, but just have something that's constantly popping up on your screen, on your phone, to remind you of the goodness that you're living in and remind you of what you need to be reminded of when it comes to your manifestation. The second way to use your phone to manifest is to put the background and the lock screen as your vision board. Okay, so you've made your vision board, you've got your vision board in your office or in your bedroom, wherever you can see it. Take a photo of it. Take a photo of it and put it as your lock screen or the background of your phone so that you're constantly seeing it. And so when you open your phone up for whatever reason, you're reminded that your manifestation is coming into your reality and you are living in your vision board. So see your vision board all the time by putting it on your lock screen or your background of your phone. The third way to manifest through your phone is by listening to good music. Good music that puts you in a good mood or in a lovey-dovey mood. I have a video on the 10 songs that manifest love in your life, and I also made a playlist for that. And you can also hit the link in the description so that you can use my Manifestation Love playlist on Spotify. It has over 50 songs and they're all about love and relationships. But anyways, listen to good music. There's plenty of podcasts out there that will encourage you. Also, there's some really good affirmation music on Spotify that I came across recently, and it consistently just says affirmations after another with very beautiful music. So I've actually put a link to that playlist in my description, so you can use your phone to manifest by listening to good music. Another way to use your phone is by using the calendar app. So the calendar app can be something that you use by setting a goal for yourself. So say you want to finish a book by Friday. Put that in your calendar. Say, I finished my book and I'm super thankful and happy that I finished my book. Or whatever you're doing, maybe it's something bigger. Maybe it's like, I really want to start a YouTube channel and I declare right now that my first YouTube video will be up on August 1st. So you put that in your calendar. And you can put in your reminder something like, okay, 3 days till my video's up. 2 days till my video's up, you know, things like that. Put in your calendar something to look forward to, a goal for yourself. Even if it's like, okay, if I read this book and I finish it by Friday, I'm gonna treat myself to a really good slice of chocolate cake. You know, put that in your calendar and get excited about it. Make it fun for yourself. Another way to use your phone is like you're doing right now, watching YouTube videos. And here are some things that I love to watch on YouTube to manifest. And I do this right before I go to bed because I'm very cautious of my subconscious mind being developed while I sleep. So it's really important for me to be in a realm of vision and beauty and everything that I desire right before I go to bed, because that really is the time when you can start manifesting. I think it said, I need to look this up, but I'm pretty sure it says 5 minutes before you pass out and go to sleep. Those 5 minutes are very crucial in order to develop your subconscious and manifest things into your reality. So on YouTube, I like to watch travel videos. I love to watch weddings. I love watching weddings. I can usually cry at any wedding I watch. Just the feelings of everyone in love and celebration. It's really awesome. I watch travel videos because I want to travel the world, and I know right now we cannot travel, but you can still manifest right now. This is the perfect time to manifest your travels when the time comes for you. So I love to watch videos about Italy and France and Spain and all these different beautiful countries. I cannot wait to go. I've actually been to Spain before, but would love to go back. So I love watching videos about that. There's tons of travel YouTube channels that you can watch, and I've linked them below. And I've also linked some of my favorite weddings, and I linked them below as well. Another thing that I love to watch are homes and hotel tours. Now you may think, really? There's people who put their home on YouTube? Well, there's actually realtor agencies that put up homes on their YouTube channels so that they can send them off to clients who are interested in the home. So I like to pretend they've sent that home video to me and they are wondering if I want to buy this $10 million home, but the kitchen was too small. No, I'm just kidding, but I love watching these home videos. They're absolutely amazing. I love to watch the agency. All their videos are pretty amazing. Like, the homes are just immaculate and you will just go crazy over them. And also, I love to watch hotels. I love to watch the video of hotels. There's a lot of videos of the most high-end hotels, and they show you the rooms and they show you the ambiance of the hotel and the restaurants and the things that you can do at the restaurant. And I like to educate myself on those things so that when the time comes for me to go, I'll be like, I actually do want your special caviar. I'm definitely preparing myself for that by watching these videos. To piggyback off of this, by using your phone through all this, is start using your notes as a way to plan for what the universe has in store for your life. So if you looked at my notes right now, you would think that I am just going across the world in 2 days. I am just gonna buy this home and this home. But I believe that for myself, and in my notes, I put down exactly what I wanna do. I write down the dimensions of the home that I like that I just saw on YouTube, and I also write down the hotels and the things that I want to order off the menu. I also write down the areas and places I want to visit and what restaurants I want to eat at. And I also have notes about wedding venues and what dress I want to wear and all the above. But in my notes, I really write it down as if I'm already living in it. I write down, okay, well, I actually do want to get married in Italy, and this is the location I want, and I think it should be around this time because I saw this wedding and it was around this time and I thought it was beautiful. Just write it down for yourself. Write down in your notes whatever you desire and use your phone to manifest your dreams. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you use your phone more often when it comes to the law of attraction and manifesting your desires, because I know if you're like me, you're always on your phone, and this is the perfect place for you to bring some positivity into your life right through your phone. If you liked today's video, give this video a big thumbs up, and give it a thumbs up if you are on the way to starting to use your phone to manifest your dreams. Comment below something that you have done to manifest through your phone. Maybe it's using Pinterest or Instagram, any app. What have you done to use your phone as a tool to manifest your dreams? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations so that you're encouraged every single day of the week, and you can start using my affirmations by putting them in your reminders on your phone. I love you so much, powerful creators, and I'm having a great time with you every single video. I really enjoy your comments and your likes and your messages and everything. It's really super encouraging for me, and I really appreciate you. I love you so much. Have a beautiful day, powerful creators, and I will see you in my next video.